Air. So I have a flashing light on 54 and 52. This looks like compressor not running. I'll take a look now. So customer got like KitchenAid. It's flashing a board, even it's not on. It's not locking. For any reason, it could be a lock issue, but it still looks like it's locked. It's locked, but it's flashing all of the lights. I'm assuming it's motherboard or somewhere shortage. So we got MDTECH washer.
Where do I sign
When I'm turning,
oh,
I'm turning on. It's kind of some noise, but water is not coming like usual. It looks like some noise coming from water valve, I think. I'm assuming if you hear this noise. Okay, Samsung. I'm turning off. And starts there. Turn off. Starts automatically. Turn on himself. Flashing light even. I'm trying to cancel circle. Okay, we got the fridge here. Not cooling, so completely freezer it's out. Fan it's working. Fridge it's out too. So I'm trying to use a thermostat. It looks like reacting. So fan it's shut down. I can hear a compressor. It looks like compressor not turning on. I think it could be two issues, or it's thermostat or it's compressor. Okay. Okay guys, we got one more serious product. So it's not cooling a fridge side now, it's 45 sensor it's showing. Model it's a 111, so it means it's a serious product. So cold air it's not coming through. It's a double door, French door and bottom freezer. So I remove this part. It's right here. So fan, it's two separate fans there on the coil, one on the right side, another one on the left side. This one, it looks like left side it's failed. We'll see, so whatever customer will decide. So we got MDTECH dryer. It's not turning on. Switch, it's acting pretty weird. This looks like. So we got a recall on the fridge. We've done a low free one up here, G, and it's coming condensate, water condensate even on the fridge side and the freezer side too. It comes some water from here, from bottom one. So I got a MDTECH dryer. That's what we got. So we got Kenmore Compressor is turning on from thermostat, fan it's working, but it looks like somewhere between a freezer and the fridge side. So here we got like 55 inside, and maybe it's a damper failing or something. Thermostat it's working, it's turning on, but this one is moving just without any.
What did you ask me about debrassing, sir?
So we got dishwasher, finally I got in and I turn on, but if you hear it's coming a noise, it looks like from drain pump. That's what I'm assuming. Where's the problem at? Just 60 degrees, can work. Yeah, noise is coming from inside. It's dripping little by little. I tried to lock it, but still not going through. Okay guys, we got KitchenAid. It's turned on, compressor is not turning on. Fan is not turning on. We got a light up here and a panel board. It's flashing all of the time, so I might think here it's a issue in the motherboard. We got the ice maker, KitchenAid. So for any reason it's not turning on. Compressor. Customer had this unit working before, but now it stops. So I'm trying to use a thermostat switch. I did up to 5. Maybe we'll get a chance to see. Now it's gonna get reset, so it will turn a compressor on, and after on thermostat I see all of the lights on at the same time. Yes or no, it's turned on. Compressor is trying to work. Fan it's not turning on. Now got reset. Yeah, we got Samsung. It got stuck. Not going nowhere. It looks like board. It's answering. Lock, it's getting locked. It's sitting there, it's not moving at all, and I had the error code when I came SE. It's what we got. We got a washer Whirlpool, it's pretty old, and when it's going on auction rings, it's getting stuck. Just no rings, no spin. I'll see right now what's gonna make next. So main switch, it's pretty noisy. Sometimes it's catching, sometimes not. So if I'll do this one, it's going, no problems. I cut ones up here. Okay, Samsung washer, the same issues like we had a couple of days ago. So it's got stuck, water is there, it's not going nowhere, no spin, nothing, no rinse. and lock it's plugged. It's getting open. Also, filter check, it's flashing. This could be because filter, maybe it's locked. Okay, so we got Samsung dryer. I'm doing a circle. It looks like door. It's closed. All of the sensor, it's working properly. But it's not going to. It's not spinning, nothing. Okay guys, we got Samsung washer. It's making a noise when it's trying to wash, it's making a noise. It could be bearings. And another thing, when it's going on a spin, it's giving me error code. Do you remember error code?
UE.
UE. Okay. Okay guys, I got the washer fixed. Customer complaining about clothes, it's still getting wet. It's not enough dry and there it's water staying inside. I'm assuming it's a pump, drain pump, but I'm doing quick wash now to see what's gonna happen, how pump will react. So here we got Speed Queen device and it's looking, it looks like it's looking from a seal from up there.
Простите, а нам нужно вытащить вот это все или не обязательно? Полотенце.
Okay, we got microwave KitchenAid and plate, it's not turning on, it's not moving around.
Can you open it?
Okay, so we got the same Whirlpool, the same symptoms, EO2 and Crackle 0, and there it's locked. Okay, I got the MDTECH dryer. No airflow. Yeah, it's heating, it's just not airflow. Okay. Okay, so it's throwing away water here.
Yeah, probably because I just stopped it and canceled. And then when I looked at it, there was water still in the very bottom. And then I put the dishes out and then we just closed it up.
But the water it still be sitting here.
It was, yeah, I guess so.
And I still see water there.
Okay.
It could be a drain pump. It's a KitchenAid. Okay, we got the MDTECH washer.
And the
Customer complaining about some kind of noise coming from drum. It's a washer. Now I'm having this one kind of noise. Okay guys, I got the Whirlpool. I'm getting a message E02 and Frank 06. So basically what I'm experiencing, it's not going nowhere, and for any reason it's door lock. It's flashing. It's not recognizing maybe. I may think or it's a door lock or could be a panel too. Okay, so lock. Here it looks like issue was lock. Now I got door locked. And it's giving me some kind of noise. It's not operating there. It looks like this panel which you said there. This one lock. This panel I unplug everything, but it's still trying to. Okay, I got a dishwasher. It looks like it's a drain panel. Giving me some noise. Okay guys, we got thermodor. Main problem, it looks like ice maker failed before, but it's still working. But I got a leak. It's leaking from bottom side, and I see a coils. I'll open up, but I see a coils still working properly, and I can hear a fan. Fan it's not working for any reason too. But we'll see now. I'll open up. That's how it's looking. Coil from each side. Okay, so we got the GE
Profile.
Yeah, just for profile.
And it's Arctica.
So my control board, it's flashing for any reason. It looks like it's short somewhere. And this panel is dead fully. Lights on. Compressor not starting over. Fans, it's not working. So I'll start to check. We'll see what we're gonna get. Okay, Samsung. What we got? Got a noise, guys. This looks like it's a rollers. I'm just making noise. Still heating. So here I have an issue with this bearing there inside. When I'm pushing to open ice maker, it's not getting locked. Not all of the times. It's getting stuck there on the bearing. This one bearing. So customer wanna change it. I'm not sure if we'll have to change the whole thing or we just gotta push it.
Oh. Put them on camera or something? Alright, number one is it's going to come with two different fittings. The fittings are, well, I don't know where the other fittings at. It's like this. Like this, and then a skinnier one. Same shape, but skinnier. It's to make up the size for the pipe.
Okay, it depends on the size. Okay.
Right, so you attach that like this, you know what I mean?
It's 1/4.
See how that works? That fits perfect?
Yep.
So they'll give you they'll give you two of them. One of them will work. So figure that out first. And then you situate this. Give me a second.
Oh, okay, just one piece of it.
Alright, then you put the outer screws on, the 3 black screws on there first. Tighten it. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Sandwich it. Tight, 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 tight. Then you go for the center one all the way down.
Okay.
Pierces it. All the way down.
Okay.
And then when you're done, you back it up and it's open. The system's open.
Okay.
Alright, so anyhow, come over here. So unit's running. It actually is trying to work. So air comes from back here on this one.
Yeah.
Still, with your hand. Actually kind of working.
Nah, it's still no hot.
It's not enough, but it's trying. So you know the compressor.
Yeah, it's trying. Yeah, I know.
Compressor's fine. All right, close that. Okay, go ahead and open that up.
It's not easy. Do you have a knife here?
Just grab it, pinch it off. I have to record this, man.
Okay, guys, ice maker. Small one. That's what we got. So I check a free one here, it's R600A. But I'm not feeling like it's getting started. I'm not feeling nothing. Maybe it's relay, maybe something. I'll check it out right now. Or it could be electronics somewhere too. Okay guys, we got the washer Samsung. Customer complaining when we're getting spin. After spin it starts to rinse and spin, and inside dump it's shaking a lot and it's getting stuck completely and shutting down, and on the screen we're getting a DC. I'm assuming it's some shocks there. Okay guys, we got a LG dryer, 5 years old. So my problem what I'm getting here, customer loading up a little bit, and this one drum shaking, and think about rolls and belt as well set. Any thoughts? Okay guys, I got MDTECH dryer. You can hear a noise. It looks like I swap out the igniter fuse, but I'm feeling it's coils too. It's not turning on. No valve got open. Yeah, I'll check out now. Okay guys, I found out silver, it's clogged. It's from where I had a leak. Huge one. When I push on the spin, rinse actually, start coming back of water. Easy fix. Okay, that's what we got. Fridge, commercial one. Compressor, it's working. All of the fans, it's working. It's not just getting cold. It looks like, for me, I think it's a low freon in the back. Compressor, it's hot. It's working. I'm not sure if it's some kind of leak there. Solenoid looking well. I'll open up now coil to see how it's looking there from inside. So thermostat, for any reason it's not answering at all. Compressor, I mean, I'm trying to change on the compressor. It's not cooling. Compressor, it's working. Okay guys, I got the Whirlpool dryer. I turn on and customer been complaining like no heat. It's a gas one. I guess it's coming. So let's see now. Yeah, so it's no heat, so I'll take down the front one and we'll see how is the igniter feeling, or it could be a thermal fuse.
Obviously, if it breaks off that, then that's not much you can do. You gotta get the whole hook.
Okay, so pretty common issue.
Yeah.
The string is coming out, and this one lock it's not working. Sometimes happen. We just open up with flat screwdriver.
Yeah.
Hearing some noise. From relay, I think. It's not spinning and not heating.
It's not spinning.
Gee. So MDTECH washer have some issues with circle. Customer complaining the circle it's taking so long, almost 3 hours to get it done. It looks like for any reason lock it's flashing. I think maybe it's issue in the lock. It's got to be a drain pump too. So compressor is trying to start to work. Looks like it's locking up. They see their capacitor. So I'm getting it's a Samsung again. Some weird symptoms. So when I'm turning off a unit, sometimes it's working, sometimes not, and I'm getting a error code Delta Echo. So now it's proceeding properly. Yeah, now it's turning on, turning off.
Yeah, I'll let you do that, but can we change the cycle? Like put the thing up to normal. Let's see if it's even heating.
So we got Samsung washer top load. So looks like we're getting a DC code, checking a lot when it's trying to spin. Okay guys, we got a washer whirlpool. So what I'm having, we got on a regular cycle, regular one. Everything it looks like supposed to be, but main problem it's not filling water right away like it's supposed to be, and going on agitating right away. I think it's maybe main timer switch. I got G. So freezer, it looks like it's working fine. I have a problem with refrigerator side 65 degrees. Airflow is coming from my main fan, but I got a damper there in the section, the fresh food, and then the back side it's fan too. It looks like it's failed there. So model number it's here, and a good thing about that, it's 4 or 5 weeks hold for a damper. It's unbelievable. G. So it looks like a panel it's working, but for any reason water is not coming in, or even ice. Just flashing and it's not calling. I'm thinking maybe it's about dispenser. This looks like a panel too. Water is coming in, I check just filter. So I got a washer, Admiral. It's plugged in. It's not acting. It's not turning on, nothing. No lights. So customer had before some kind of lights up here, and after it's stopped. So now I plug in on the wall. It's nothing there. The water it's inside. It's my MDTECH washer. So when it's spinning, I have a leak up there. It's like we have to change whole set of all of the seals. Okay guys, we got thermodor, a regular one, stove. It's a gas one, it's not electrical. Customer been complaining about the bake option, it's not working. So I just check a broil. I turn on this switch and this one. Got the lights on. Igniter coming. It's turning on a unit. It's no problem. With broil option. But bake, we got a different type of igniter here. It's double one. It looks like it's not turning on for any reason. So this type of igniter, it looks like I gotta clean up just ends, and we should be good to go. Here it's working, just gotta turn on. Got MDTECH washer, and it's getting stuck on a spin. It's not getting down a cycle. I'm thinking maybe it's a drain pump. Okay guys, we got a MDTECH dishwasher. I'm turning on. It's like asking to go through the cycle, but for any reason water is not coming in. I checked from underneath from a faucet. It's everything comes, but now it's turning on a water valve, but for any reason it's looking like it's clogged or something. Okay guys, we got Bosch Microwave, so I'm doing even 2 minutes there, and it's not doing nothing, just turning off, trying to turn on, and nothing happened. It's even the time, it's even deleted. Okay guys, we got LG, like 4 or 5 years old. Customer complaining about ice maker. So we got this one, but it looks like somewhere it's cracked and it's leaking when it's asking for water. Change ice maker. I got washer Kenmore code, error code, it's coming DLF. So I tried to use express wash.
Kenmore.
So normal start. It's coming error code. It's trying to work with.
I got a light up here, there, that came down to the control. There, when that lights up.
Yeah, it looks like it's not locking for any reason. It's gotta
It
be
can't
locked.
now. Yeah, right now.
Okay guys, we got the basic one, Frigidaire. So I had the issue before when I came. I had the issue with compressor. So I swap out, I took out the capacitor and starter. So finally I got a up and running compressor. But I check the compressor, it's looking well. It looks like it started to cool down because it wasn't cooling and the fan wasn't turning on. At the same time, I don't have a power on the fan switch up here. For me, it's looking like this thermostat, it's gone, because this thermostat, it's issuing a signal to a fan to turn on the fan. It will go for this one. Model number is right here. I got a wire pull, so I'm trying to drain and spin. I'm hearing some kind of noise like this one. It looks like it's a motor, it's got a transmission. Okay guys, we got a MDTECH washer. So what I'm experiencing up here, it's not starting, and the lock, for any reason, it's flashing all of the times. I check a lock and it's not closing. It's what it looks like for me, but when I try to power off, lock, it's still flashing. So here I got a question. It could be maybe someone seen it before. For me it looks like it's a motherboard now, because when I'm opening, it starts flashing back whole panel, and I might think it's a motherboard too. Yeah. Sierra Madre, something burning out there, or it's looking pretty weird, guys. Gotta check the news. Whirlpool washer, so it's what I got here, but customer been complaining they lost everything on the board a day ago. So now I'm pushing on a pause, and the lock is getting open. So got still closes there, water it's still there in half. I wasn't going to high rinse and spin and drain. But what I'm having, I'm locking, I'm pushing, lock is getting closed, locked, but time it's not counting down and nothing happened. Checking the lock. Some kind of noise coming from clutches. Slashing.